To free up space on Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to locate the device care. Enter it and then look for the storage right here, and that way we'll be able to free up space on our device based on different things that you can find below. So first, pay attention to the top where you can see which files take most of the space in your phone, like compressed files, audio files, videos, images, documentations, installation files, and etc. There's plenty of things, so you can see exactly which thing will take most of the space. For example, here apps taking the most of my space, because I'm not counting system, I don't want to remove anything from the system. So based on that, I can check my apps and remove anything from any apps that I don't want to use. Now, if you want to clean up the space without removing the apps as you're using them all, I would recommend to just scroll down right here, and then you can see a few different ways that you can clean up the space. First one is trash. So here in the trash, make sure it's always empty, because you don't want those residue files to sit on your phone for 30 days. So all you have to do here is select the files and then simply erase everything from your trash. And next thing is unused apps. So you can see here which apps you're using and which you're not. So it will show you which apps you haven't used for 30 days, for example, and that way you probably don't need them and you can remove them. Then there's duplicate files. It shows you all of the duplicate files on your phone. So you can select those files and just remove them to clean up some space. So as you can see right here, by removing all of the duplicates that I have right here, I will get additional 131 megabytes, which is quite a lot. Then there's a large files. You can always click on that, and that way you will see which files take most of the space in your phone. For example, I have this, which I don't honestly know what it is, and I can select it and then delete it. It takes almost 5 gigabytes. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.